Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Monopoly Go invite friends not working. But before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips like this. To solve this problem, first open the Monopoly Go app on your mobile device. In order to play with your friends, you need to connect the game with your Facebook profile so you can invite your friends here. You can also continue with your Apple ID for the same purpose. Tap on Continue to connect it. Once it is connected, continue to open your account. Now tap on Friends from the bottom right corner of your screen. Go to the Invite button right next to the contacts. Now go ahead and invite your friends via Facebook or a link provided to you. Copy this link and send it to your friends. They can now join you by following this link. So that's it for this video guys. If you found it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next video.